In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a document page in Canva. This is a quick but super useful trick when you want to add longer text, keep notes inside your design, or build a mixed layout that blends visuals with written content. Start by opening the project you're already working on. Once you're inside, look for your page thumbnails. Depending on your device and layout, these appear as a film strip of pages along the bottom or side of the editor. Navigate to the very end of that thumbnail strip. At the edge, you'll see a plus icon that normally adds a new page. Right next to that plus, there's a small arrow pointing downward. That arrow is the key to opening more page options. Go ahead and click the arrow, not the plus itself, to reveal the expanded menu. When the menu opens, scan the options and choose Doc. In some layouts, it may appear as Doc or Document, but the idea is the same. The moment you click it, Canva inserts a document page directly into your current project. There's nothing else you need to do to enable it. It appears just like another page in your design, ready for words. What you'll see is a clean, text-focused page that behaves like any other page in your project. You can start typing, paste in content, or format text with your usual fonts, sizes, and styles. Because it's part of your existing project, it inherits the project's dimensions and sits alongside your other pages, so everything stays together and consistent. This is especially handy for adding captions, instructions, scripts, or longer descriptions without jumping to a separate file. If you don't immediately spot the arrow next to the plus, make sure you're scrolled to the last thumbnail and that your editor window is wide enough for the controls to appear. On some devices, the arrow may look like a small chevron. If the dock option isn't visible in the menu, a quick refresh or checking for updates can help. And sometimes the wording varies slightly depending on your version. Once the document page is in, you're free to use it however you like. Treat it like any other page. It can be styled, duplicated, and included in your exports. If you add the wrong thing by mistake, the undo button quickly takes you back. And that's it. Open your project, use the arrow next to the plus on the page thumbnails, pick Doc, and your document page is ready to go. Simple, fast, and neatly integrated into your design workflow.